I'm Jeremy Shore for LiveStrong.com, and this is how to start a running program without getting knee pain. When beginning a running program, the key to avoiding knee pain is proper movement preparation. Knee pain when running is usually the result of limited range of motion in the ankles due to inflexible lower leg muscles and weak glutes, both resulting in knees being misaligned and overloaded. A combination of self-myofascial release, stretching, and strengthening will help you prepare for years of pain-free running. Begin by targeting the calves, quads, and hips with foam rolling, slowly moving across each area to increase blood flow while decreasing tension and muscular restrictions. Pause on tender areas for 20 to 30 seconds to assist in this release. Next, perform dynamic stretches that also strengthen these muscles. Some examples of these are down dogs with calf raises, reverse lunges with overhead reach, and cross-body knee hugs. Let me show you. For our first exercise, we'll lengthen and strengthen the calf complex with a down dog and add in a calf raise. So begin on all fours. From here, straighten your knees out, pushing your heels down into the ground, keeping a flat back, pushing through your hands until you feel a good stretch in the calf complex. You should have straight knees. Next, I want you to do is lift the heels, come up onto the toes, flexing the calves, and then slowly lower your heels back down to the ground until you get into that stretch. So strength train, come up onto the toes, and then slowly drop the heels back down to the mat. Repeat for 8 to 12 repetitions. Okay, next, we'll open up the hips and stretch through the trunk by performing a reverse lunge with an overhead reach. So we'll stand tall, feet about hip width apart. You're gonna step back into a lunge, keeping the hips tucked, dropping the back knee slightly, and reaching overhead with the arm on the same side. We'll hold that for 2 seconds, then we'll return to the starting position and then drop the opposite foot back, reaching over with that arm on the same side, reaching away from that trail leg. Alternate sides for 6 to 8 repetitions, holding for about 2 seconds in that stretched position. And we'll finish with alternating knee hugs. This will help open up the hip complex. So we're gonna stand tall, gonna bring the leg up and across the body, grabbing around the shin and the outside of the knee, pulling it in towards the chest till you feel a good stretch. On the outside of the leg, hold for 2 seconds. Bring the leg back down to the ground and then switch sides, hugging the knee in towards the midline of the body. And switch sides. Repeat for 6 to 8 repetitions on each side. I'm Jeremy Shore for Livestrong, and this has been how to prepare to begin running.